Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop is not turning on. So first of all, check if your charging cable is properly inserted into the charging port on the left edge of your PC. Let the camera focus. So this is the place where you insert your charging cable. Make sure that you insert it fully inside. Also, check your charging cable and AC adapter and the rest of the cable for any visible damages, because maybe it's not working properly because of them. And also see if your AC adapter provides your device with at least 45 watts of power. It's really hard to see right here, but here it is, 45.1 watts. This is the original AC adapter, so I recommend using the original AC adapter, but if you don't have such, then at least don't use any cheap adapters that can break your battery. Make sure that you got your AC adapter from a reputable source. And once you checked everything, try turning on your PC by pressing the power button. And if it's still not turning on, maybe it was exposed to either extremely hot or cold temperatures. In such case, let your device rest for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was, of course without charging cable inserted into it. And then once your device has rested, plug in the charging cable and try turning it on again. And after that, your device should start normally. But if it still doesn't, then either contact ACER customer support service or just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.